How to go live on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then, click on the plus button at the bottom. After you click on the plus button, you will find this kind of screen.
On below,
Here,
and then
scroll
you'll
down
find
and
new
you'll find
options.
this kind of
Simply
screen
click on
pop up.
live. You
At the
can
bottom,
add title,
click on live. After you've clicked on live, click on audience.
schedule
You
the
can
live,
select
or
public or
simply
practice and press on set audience.
broadcast
After you've
audience to
done that,
public, or simply
click on the white circle. After you click on the white circle,
practice
you
and
will
click on set
go
audience.
live.
Then click on circle
As you can see now,
on
I am
middle.
live on
Then your
Instagram.
live will
And this
broadcast,
is how to
and
go live
this
on
is how to go
Instagram.
live. As you
Thank
can
you for
see, you
joining
can
me
also
today. If this
invite
video
someone
helps you out,
as
please
a
leave a like and
co-host for your
subscribe for more.
live.
Got a question or want to
This
suggest
is
a
how to go
topic?
live
Comment
on
below. Thank you for
Instagram.
watching.